So your content strategy. So this is the content that represents your unique value proposition targeting to your target audience. We really have to get that target audience focused. So what videos are your raving fans searching for? We want to create a content list. So when I'm trying to figure out what content to produce, I come up with like 100 ideas, and these are some of the tools that I use for them. So we'll back out here. So YouTube search bar, the simplest one to use. So we're just gonna jump over to YouTube. Okay, so someone give me a topic surrounding cheap and healthy food, or a certain dish or food item.
Vegetarian.
Raw vegan. Okay, let's start with raw. And we'll use YouTube's auto feed here and see what comes up. Okay, so raw vegan, raw food diet. So these, they could be potential videos. They can also be potential playlists. They can also be potential tags. These are the most popular searches surrounding these items. Raw vegan is not gross. So potential video on there. Raw vegan desserts. So people are actively searching for these. So this is a good way just to kind of start, see what people are looking for. These are YouTube's most popular searches. The keyword planner. How many of you guys know what the keyword planner is? Okay, so this is Google's AdSense keyword planner. Let's see if this will open here. Oh, sorry guys. So this is where you can find how many monthly searches are for a specific topic. So let's try another topic. So can someone give me another food item or dish? Shepherd's pie, okay. So let's type in shepherd's pie, if that's how you spell it. Okay, and get ideas. So this is going to give us like groups of ideas, but we want to see all the different keywords ideas and see what most people are searching. And you can kind of see in November it's pretty popular. So if I was going to produce a video on shepherd's pie, I'd likely do it in November, where it has 2.9 million views. So we can see monthly it's 40,500. Competition isn't a huge factor for YouTube because these are competition for bids. But we can organize this by average monthly searches, and so this is where we can kind of see other potential videos relating to shepherd's pie, and all of these are potential tags too, which we'll get into. But I can see, okay, so apple pie is actually quite a bit more popular than shepherd's pie by 45,000 or something. So potential ideas. I also look at other YouTube channels. So I'm subscribed to pretty much like every big YouTube cooking channel. I look at their most recent videos. I see what is popular and what is most recent and what's trending, and just go from there. I also look at Reddit and blogs. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with Reddit. This is known as the front page of the internet. And within Reddit, there's all these different subreddits for different topics. And so this is Eat Cheap and Healthy here. So this is totally in my niche, like cheap and healthy and tasty. So I can find like potential topics to speak about. So this is just in the past 24 hours. So whatever your industry is, I am sure there is a subreddit covering that. There's plenty on digital marketing and social media. I know there's a few of you guys in here. So all potential topics. Then I will take those potential ideas and jot them down. And I use Trello for this personally. Trello is really great, really simplified project management tool. So these are all like my potential ideas. So this is like kind of a brainstorming list, just random videos that I could potentially shoot. Then I'll kind of organize them. So this is evergreen. Evergreen content is the stuff that's like highly searched, like how to cook onions, how to cook garlic, how to chop onions, like the very basic cooking stuff, or very basic things that people would often search. They're the things that really help drive people to your channel through search engine optimization. Collabs, these are just potential collabs I'm working on, and a series that I'm going to try and do like top 10 stuff. So that's kind of how I like establish it. So you want to kind of get as many ideas out as you can and really figure out what's going to be the best, what's going to have the greatest impact for your target audience. And the great thing about Trello is I can easily sort them, add in notes, schedule them. Yeah, it's really great. Anyone here use Trello? Nice. Okay.